out really quickly because it's going to be my birthday in 20 minutes. And yeah, in 20 minutes, I'm going to turn 20. Yay! Let's get ready. I already unboxed my dress, but are you guys ready to see my most perfect birthday dress ever? It is literally so perfect. I love it. It's pink. As you guys can tell, I am obsessed with the color pink. And I don't know if I'll fit into this or not, because when I got this, I looked at my dog and I was like, this is made for your body. Like, how am I supposed to fit into this? You guys, it is literally perfect. I am obsessed. I'm gonna put this little hand ring on. I'm literally turning 20 in 10 minutes. Okay, I have to get ready before everyone comes. Okay, for shoes, we are doing my perfect Elwood heels. Dress is giving modern Elwoods, okay? And we're gonna add some Cosmic by Kylie Jenner because we gotta smell good. And ta-da, you guys! And by the time I post this, I will already be 20, so happy birthday.